Hey, welcome to my channel. Please subscribe my channel at first and share my videos. Thank you. We're looking to Kusama. Kusama. Let's look what we have here. 600 was the high price and we're falling to 200. The difference is 400 and you can see we will reach one time $1,000. This fact, yeah. But we have a little work if we want to reach $1,000. Such informations here, how we can reach $1,000. If you want this, then please come on the Wealth Exclusive Club because there I can show you the way in which we can reach the $1,000. So before we reach here $1,000, we have to go to the downside. So first downtrend was here at April. Yeah, this was our first downtrend. The second is at May. If you look to Bitcoin price, we have a similar situation, April and May downtrends. And if you look here, April and May. So we have here, like other cryptos, the situation that we are in a downtrend. You can see if something falls so big from 600 to 200, then you can expect such moves or negative trends to the downside. Yeah, I'm not wondering about this trend who is falling so sharply to the downside. Yeah, so we going out of this channel, and you can also see here we have here fail. That means our trend line is broke, and we fall here clear to the downside. What we make here is only test this level. Maybe we could go to the top side here again, but after that I see here now possibility to go to the top side. The price will go to the downside. So what we see here is only few moves here. Maybe go to the top side and then the big fall is begin to the downside. So you can see the price could not fall to negative area. So we have to look to the left side and you can see and recognize at mid of December we begin the trend to the top side. Yeah, you can see we could say that our base is on these levels. Yeah, because the reason is here at Bitcoin we begin the bull run to the top side, and this was at 20,000, 80,000, 18,000. So, and then if we compare this with Bitcoin and here, then we could say, okay, the base here as is on $72. So I'm not wondering if the price fall from 400 to 66 or $70. So how this is possible? Why is this so much negative? Yeah? How we can fall from 400 to $75? So we have a really bad situation here because the trend line looks to the downside and we are still at 400 and we have the risk to fall to $75. So we have to find this out how this is possible. We could say, okay, in the short term, we go out of this negative channel. So the risk to fall is here not exist. But we say, okay, we have a negative trend line to the downside. That means you can see the negative, we are still in a negative trend. And you can see with your own eyes that we could fall to these lines here. So I think direction of 75. And you can see we have also good support from here and we have good support from here. So I think if you adjust here a little bit, then you can see Then our support line is between these lines here. We could make an adjustment and move these lines here to this area, but you can recognize here's a support of some lines. So I would say that our support area is between 66 and $75. Yeah, it's hard to say, but this is fact, because even if we go here to these levels or high, you can see we break the resistance line to the downside here. So I'm not wondering if the price breaks totally to the downside. Let me check. And other thing is, this movement here make no sense. Yeah. If you look here, this is no bull run. This is only a pre-step. What we will see here. Yeah. Then really big step to the downside is coming. I would say we will go to the downside here to 200. Then we will retest this area to 270. Then the next move is to test this negative channel again. This area 360. And then we will go to the downside 130. We make this move here, again testing. Yeah. And then the big fall is coming to the downside. Yeah, then you can see we will stay here at these levels. And then the big opportunity is coming. That means if the price falling to this area, we have easily that way to break this to the top side. Yeah, and then you can see what's happening. We have a really good possibility to make a left shoulder head and a right shoulder pattern, and then the price is rising to the top side, and people who buy here at this level is no financial advice, but in this case it's a really beautiful formation. The price will explode to the top side. Yeah, it's not how can I say, some good gems. It is possible to get these gems really cheap. Let's look. Yeah, but all signs look to the downside. Yeah. So if you want more, please come on the Wolf Exclusive Club. There you get the information how we can reach the $1,000 here. And let's see. Have a nice day.